Hi everybody, my name is Cyrus and this is Barrel. Today we're going to show you how Lumos Ultra is being made. UV and MOPA in one integrated unit, one streamlined workflow.
Two advanced laser technology working seamlessly together.
Brought together by WeCreat for the first time.
We have been working on this for over 2 years, and today we're excited to show you how it all comes together.
And what you're seeing here is not a pilot line or prototype setup. It's actually real ongoing manufacturing.
So let's get started.
The keyword for UV laser is precision, and that's why it can do 16K precision engraving. MOPA is second only to UV in terms of manufacturing difficulty. That's why we're using JPT, the leading manufacturer in the industry. MOPA gives us control over pulse duration and frequency, allowing us to do color marking on metal and fine control over engraving depth for impressive 3D relief engraving. We've also engineered the world's first dual laser optical path, integrating UV and MOPA together, ensuring a seamless workflow while switching lasers. Let's start with the core, the laser modules. A truly advanced laser isn't just about power, but also about precision and control. And these are the actual ultraviolet laser modules used in Lumos Ultra. Bringing these two top-tier technologies into one system has never been done before. That's why Lumos Ultra is capable of over 10 different laser processes and compatible with over 2,000 materials. And this is our core light source testing lab. In terms of operational lifespan, UV is rated at over 10,000 hours, and MOPA has an amazing 100,000 hours of service life. Before assembly, everything starts right here.
We use advanced 5-axis CNC machining to produce structured components, holding extremely high tolerance across complex geometry.
And before these components go into assembly, they go through highly rigorous testing, including two-dimensional vision measuring machine to make sure there are no deviations.
Because even with the highly advanced CNC machine, there could be microscopic deviation up to nanometers. So this is why we need this advanced machine with microscope to make sure that every unit is made at its highest standard.
So this is the injection molding area for plastics. As you can see, our workers are hard at work making Lumos Ultra.
The back panel is actually made of aerospace-grade 6061 aluminum, which is the same metal they use for aeroplane landing gear. It is light, durable, and has high tensile strength.
And the side panel is made of PC plus ABS polymer alloy to filter out harmful laser lights, combined with a leak-proof full enclosure design to ensure your safety. We use an automated chip manufacturing process, starting with high-speed SMT lines, where components are precisely placed onto boards with micron-level accuracy.
From there, boards are going through an automatic soldering process, ensuring strong, consistent connections across every unit.
And after assembly, each board is checked using AOI, Automated Optical Inspection. This allows us to detect even the smallest defects not visible to the human eye. Here's something that's less obvious but equally important.
Since Lumos, we have developed a rotary plus slide extension combo, which is unique in the industry.
It expands the working range and flexibility of the Lumos Ultra, making it easier to handle objects of different sizes and shapes. When it comes to safety and environmental impact, nothing is left to chance. Our machines meet California Proposition 65 standards to ensure no toxic materials are used, from solder and wiring to casing, chips, and every last component. They're also compliant with the European Union RoHS directive, minimizing environmental impact across the entire life cycle, from manufacturing to use to disposal. And they also meet global standards such as FDA, FCC, CE, and UKCA. After assembly, our machines go through accelerated aging tests.
They are run over extended period to simulate real usage, which is to check for their stability, thermal behavior, and long-term reliability, which includes
over 10,000 hours of core light source life test and over 1,500 hours of accelerated aging tests.
plus 30 more structural tests and 1,000 more product tests.
It's all to make sure our early adopters aren't just getting early access, but also something that's built to last. Even the cooling system is engineered differently.
Instead of taking the easy way out, we overcome significant design challenges and create high-performance air cooling system.
The result is a system that runs quietly, saves space, weighs less, requires almost no maintenance, and performs even better than water-cooled setups. Once all the components are ready, it's time to move on to final assembly.
Our machine has bring together some of the most advanced technology at the market, so every unit are built by highly skilled technicians with multiple quality checkpoints.
And while automation may help with consistency, it's up to our technicians to make the final call. Because in precision manufacturing, the smallest details still come down to trained eyes and expertise. And when we say Lumos Ultra is ready, this is what we mean.
From advanced machining to 10,000 hours of test and validation.
UV and MOPA working in harmony, and a production process that sticks to the highest standards.
Everyone is working so hard so we can present you Lumos Ultra, the best laser ever, offering you with precision, speed, and most importantly, the wildest compatibility on materials.
From R&D to marketing, customer service to the factory floor, we laser focus to deliver the best experience, the best technology, and the best value for money with Lumos Ultra.